All right, so the next one is testimonials. This one is gonna be simple. Again, I'm gonna copy the text, the heading, and make it testimonials. All right, what people say about us, and add a full stop over here. Same thing here. All right, and then as you can see over here, we just have some pagination. So let's add some pagination over here. Make it lighter, and maybe this one we can make it active. There you go. And then on the right side we can have some cards for the testimonials. So the same thing, I'm going to copy this shadow effect from here to here, and I'm going to give it white fill with 20 border radius. Sorry. All right, so we're gonna have some text from here for the testimonial. Come on, no. Text and Poppins, make it medium 14, and the color, as we are using this color, maybe this is too much, so we can remove this text, extra text over here, and we need to have name. So let's call it here Shakir, UI designer. All right, so we're going to make it bold just to build the content hierarchy, and let's keep it like the way we have. And to make it a little bit interesting, I'm going to add the image, and I'm not putting it inside the container but a little bit outside of the container, so it's like a little bit different, and it brings a little bit uniqueness in the design. So for that, adding the image, we can always find a happy face on free pick, and then from here let's find some happy face, maybe which one. So we're gonna need, I think I kind of like this one. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of some selected area, paste it here. There you go. One one thing that we can do here to make it add a little bit more details over here is again you have to check my shadows tutorial, but this is like one quick thing that I can do over here is effects. I'm going to add a layer blur and make it down here and make it a little bit smaller and move it down here. So this one, and make the opacity like maybe 80, maybe 60. So there we go, we have the details over here. So this looks nicer as compared to what we had earlier. And then the next one is my favorite, making groups. And then what I'm going to do here is add one more tutorial, move it to the background and make it move it a little bit upward, so we have just the name visible. and remove the shadow from this one and add a stroke just to identify that we have something here. All right, so we got something here. This is what we got so far, and the next one is just adding the logos. Move it. I like to move it. Okay, there you go. So the next one is finally, we are almost there. I know you have been following. If you are still following, it's been pretty long, and but we are almost there. And let's make it group and call it section testimonials. All right.